Hi, this is Tony Sturts with Barton Special Teaching. I just got a question about um, this Orton Gillingham spelling bundle that's Barton Inspired Level 6. Somebody asked, is it digital? It is a PDF, but it can be used digitally if you're tutoring online or teaching online by using the TPT digital overlays. What you would do is you'd go down to whatever um, bundle you wanted to work on and click on Open TPT Digital Activity. And it would open for you um, in a new window. So hopefully that will happen quickly. Okay, and now you have, you can use this digitally. So, for example, if you wanted to have a student do this page, you don't want the whole page. So what you can do is, first of all, you can make it smaller so the student can see the whole page. And if you wanted to assign it to a student in Google Classroom, what you could do is you could click Edit Pages and you could choose whatever pages you wanted the student to do. So, for example, if you wanted to do that page and then perhaps one more, what I do is I click Select All and then I click off the ones that I want to assign in the Google Classroom. Or if I'm going to do this online and I don't want all of the pages, I choose whatever ones I want to do, okay? And I click those off. And I click Remove. And then I just have those two pages. So when you have those two pages, you can click Save Changes, or you can cancel it if there's more pages that you need. So I'm going to click Save Changes. And so for this lesson, I would have the student do the graph and write where they choose whether it's an open syllable, a closed syllable, or a silent E syllable. So the easiest way to do that would be to use the text tool up here, and the student could write in, also change the size so it's bigger. So CA would be an open syllable. K, then I have a closed syllable. Con. Okay. The thing is, anything I write on these pages right now will show up for when I assign it in the Google Classroom. So if you're just tutoring online, that's fine. You can just use it like this. But if you want to assign it in Google Classroom and you wanted to make examples of what you wanted the student to do, then you could write on it and then assign it. I'm just showing you what you can do. So here it says highlight the vowels, draw a line or cut to show which way the consonant should go and divide the word. Draw an arrow to keep the silent E with the nearest vowel. So here you could use the highlighter pen and you can highlight the vowels. So if you wanted your vowels to be yellow, you could highlight the vowels. Okay. And then you have this CSCR. So you've got a 1-2 split there. So you could take your pen and they could change whatever color they wanted. So if you want to use blue, you could use blue. If you wanted red, you could use red. And they could draw a line there. Okay. And then this E It's going to stay with this eye, something like that. So there's lots of tools on here that you can use to make this more friendly for the student. You may have to teach them how to use the tools, but they're not difficult to use. You can put answer boxes in, but you don't have to because you can just use that text tool. You can add highlighting, you use the pen, you can add shapes, um, and there's an eraser here if you want to use that. So once you've done whatever you want to do to these beforehand, for example, if you wanted to make an example for them to do, then you can preview what the student will see. And then, of course, this is what the student will see in the Google Classroom. And then you can assign it. And it will give you the access code to put into your Google Classroom. And you can assign it to whatever students you want in your Google Classroom if you're going to use it that way. If you're not going to use it in Google Classroom and you just want to use it in a Zoom meeting online, you don't even have to assign it. So that is a long answer to a short question, but yes, it is digital in the TPT classroom. It is not Google Slides. I may eventually do that, but I haven't had the opportunity to yet. So I hope this is helpful. Thanks.